All right, so this might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I'm headed to Wingstop right now to try out this new Carolina Gold barbecue chicken sandwich. And you know, I gotta go stop and get some drinks for content first, so let's get right to it.
Faded in the backseat. I just hit the strip, made a baby. Ooh.
Just pulled up to my favorite gas station and I don't see a single person in here. Let's get some drinks though. Came to get some Happy Dads, but out of fruit punch, but I already know where they hide it for me. Right to the bag. Boom, they always got me, always. You already know the bag was secured. It's time to go get this Wingstop chicken sandwich.
Sipping on the hand and missing it with the wine. Trying to forget about a fucking life.
I just pulled up to the Wingstop. Let's go grab this sandwich. All right, so I just got my Wingstop, and I know I'm not the only one who puts a seatbelt on their food. All right, so we back home with it, but you already know before we eat, we gotta get right.
Killing my pride, and yeah, I'm riding. For all of my brothers, I'm dying. Say pull up, I'm sliding. Left on my side, now we crying. I hit him with it like he was prescribed it. Don't dump in the bush.
My favorite drink in the game, Happy Dad fruit punch. Let's get a little shotgun in. Cheers, y'all. All right, so let's get into this sandwich. I ordered the new Carolina Gold barbecue. Got to see what we got. Sandwich. We got the Parmesan fries. You already know how Wingstop get down with the fries. These hoes are top tier. All right, let's see what this sandwich looking like. It's actually looking pretty good. That hoe's smothered. All right, now it's time to eat. This shit is smelling heavenly. Let's go ahead and start off with some of these Parmesan fries. You know we gotta put them in that ranch. Yeah, they actually put them crispy this time. These hoes crazy good. 8 out of 10. I could eat them all day long. These fries are like popcorn. Once you start eating them, you're not really stopping. Especially right now, I'm faded as fuck. All right, but that's not what we came here for. We got this Carolina Gold barbecue. I'm not really the biggest fan of barbecue, but let's see what it's in for. Let me get one more bite in. All right, it's actually pretty good. It's like sweet, tangy. No heat at all though, but it's actually pretty good. I give this probably like a 8.5 out of 10. But you already know this ranch gonna elevate it. So let's go ahead and get a little bite in. Nine and a half out of 10. No, these fries are literally crack. I always put fries on any sandwich. I don't care what it is. No, this is really good though. These fries always gonna hit. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna finish these fries right now, but I just wanna say I appreciate every single one of y'all. The support has been unreal. I never expected to be where I am right now. You know, I love all of y'all for real. If you like content like this, you know, drop what else I should try. Drop drink suggestions, food suggestions, and let's get into it. Let's hit another shotgun. Cheers, y'all. See you on the next one.